Hey everyone, it's Whimsy Journal and it's super hot and we don't have air conditioning, so sorry for the buzz in the background. But I just received my package in the mail from Chic, Sparrow, and I wanted to do an unboxing. I kind of went tea and crazy this month, so we'll just get into it. I pre-ordered from the Camomile pre-order. Oops. Cute colorful little bird. And I don't own a personal size yet, but I've been really wanting the Allie Brown Joy in any size, and so excited. Wow. Whoa, it is so thin. That is my first impression. It is so thin. I should have gotten a deluxe. Dang it. Oh my goodness. As you may know, I am a Darcy girl, so I have more experience with the Darcy leathers, and they're quite a bit thicker. But I really wanted to try a personal size. Dang it. It's so thin. This is great though. This is really interesting. It's I think I'm gonna really like this after it patinas. Right now, and I don't know if it's the lighting or whatever, but yeah, this I've heard it described as a buttercup yellow, and it certainly is that. And let's see if there are any cool things to note. Don't know if you can really see it on camera, but there's just a little scarring right here. I'm trying to reflect it in the light. That's pretty cool. It's a little discolored at, up in this area, which is pretty neat. It's already starting to get that mark there from the elastic closure. And it's a little darker over here and over here than on the rest of the leather. The stitching on it is a yellow stitching, and it's pretty bright actually. It's a pretty bright yellow, almost a highlighter yellow. Again, it might be my lighting. I am in a kind of a dark room with a spotlight, so I think this is really neat. On the inside leather, sorry, I have like my tripod in the way, but I have a little scar on the inside. And dang it, I'm just like really kicking myself in the pants here. I feel like this one would have been a good deluxe leather. So there you have it. It's the Camomile. I actually am really excited to move in. I don't have any inserts for it yet though. I've been using my Lady Catherine, and let's just have a comparison. So this is a Lady Catherine B6 Slim. Wow, they actually look really good next to each other. Boy, I just love this notebook so much. I have a story about it, but maybe I'll save it for another time. I actually didn't like this leather when it came in at first, but now I love it, and I wish this was a deluxe also. But anyway, just wanted to compare the size. Interesting. So the personal is just a little bit smaller than the B6 Slim. I wonder how my inserts will fit in here if I take it out. Sorry, these are my finances, so I'm not gonna show you what's inside because it's a little embarrassing. I have my journaling spend allowance for the month in there. And oh, okay. So, interesting. My B6 size insert kind of fits, but I bet it wouldn't allow it to get too chunky like this one has. The spine seems a lot, I don't know. I'm not describing this well, but like, see how thick that spine is compared to this one? I feel like you couldn't put a whole lot in here. So the personal size is supposed to be able to fit your checkbook. Let me see if I can grab mine really quickly, if I can find it. At least that's what the original design was for, is for someone to be able to put their checkbook in their notebook. And then later she, I think, made it a little bigger. But this is my checkbook. I don't know, does anyone even use it for the checkbook anymore now that it's the bigger size? Huh, I guess that could work. I never carry my checkbook around. I'm just kind of playing around with what I could do with this. Interesting. It's very thin. I keep saying that. But I'm actually really surprised how thin it is. I feel like I can't put a whole lot in here, which isn't really a bad thing. Maybe it would pucker out like that. And maybe that's when smaller inserts would start to matter. But I'm really weird when I get my notebooks in the mail. I either I like them or I'm like not too sure about it. So who knows? Maybe over time I'll just grow to love it like I ended up really loving my Lady Catherine. But that's all I got for you. See ya.